Yes, my viewer subscriber, it's your boy Djstullaa from your advice, you know how it is. Viewer subscriber, you know when you're loved by people, I'm here talk about Jamaican people, them stand up with you, them fight with you, them did it for you. I'm here gonna show you how Jamaica people support cartel. Meds this.
What's Karen? Good people.
Viewer subscriber, as far as we know, cartel just went for a general checkup, cause you know him have to do that now and again. But you just see the love of the people them. You see how the people them embrace him. But here we are gonna run the entry. Walk with me. Viewer subscriber, allegedly me I go use that word there. As far as we hear say, cartel have a thyroid glands situation where now and again him have to go to hospital, go do some checkup. We don't know nothing now, we not go down too deep in it because me no doctor. So at this time I go left it. But as far as him know, we know today him go for a checkup and everything seem good. You can see say him healthy, him strong and everything. But I just the way how you can hear the people them and say, yo, we love you. We are pray for you. Free them, man. You see me? When you get them kind of love there from people, dog, nice, for real. And cartel got that.
What's Karen? Good people. I am.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I say, Father God blessed for no say, yo, everything good with cartel. You see me? Big woman thing, for real. And right now, we glad for no say, yo, the people, them still a support him and they behind him 100. You get me? Because you can hear the people, them a shout out how much them love him, how them a pray for him, how them want to know say everything good with him. So we love to know that. So right now, viewer, subscriber, just keep on your ears and just know say, boy, everything good with cartel. But it's your boy Djstullaa, we say X amount and shout out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, or press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. We not say nothing more. And your boy Djstullaa 1.